From top performers to the Intense 5, what made the list? Bolt took his football skills to the pitch and scored a goal for the biggest and most prestigious charity match, Soccer Aid. Got it, Bolt! Hey! TJ gone a lead. He just inked a deal with Warner Chappell Music in New York. Go on, drift into greatness, TJ. Congrats. Hey, how you go? Okay, so Jamaica got new money and it well pretty. Look out for them in circulation. Byron Messiah seems to make the Intense 5 every week. This time, he survived a really bad car accident in St. Mary. The vehicle he was traveling in went over a precipice. Luckily, he escaped with minor injuries. And finally holding the spot this week. Is there something going on with Jada and Burna Boy? So there's been a lot of speculation, and then Stefflon started throwing some words on Instagram, which she later said were not directed at Jada. Well, we'll just watch how this unfolds, but alright, Jada. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next, DeMarco talks Jankro and lots more. We soon come.